We just finished step 3 of our project, so let's see what's next. Step 4 wants us to enhance the appearance of the project. Before we discuss what that means, let's just quickly create a new branch for this task. In Unity, we can see that pickups are a bit boring visually. They have the same dull color as all the other stuff in the scene, and also they just hang around and don't invite the player to interact with them really. We will change that and add the same visuals as in the original game, where the pickups have a nice color and also they rotate. In terms of version control, the task is interesting because we can now actually use the prefab we just created and see how the changes will be represented in plastic. So let's go. I already prepared the material settings which I want to use, so I create a new material and just paste them in. Now we open the prefab and apply the new material. For the really interesting part, let's look at the changes. Apart from the added material, the main change happened on the prefab, as we would expect. Here we can see that the prefab object references a new material. This is already nice because we just have one changed line for all the objects. But the best thing about this change is which file is not affected. And this is obviously the scene file. So we changed something about all those 10 objects in the scene, but the scene file is not affected at all. If someone else worked on the scene file in the meantime, we would have no conflicts if we had to merge. Let's check in. Next, we want to rotate our pickup objects, for which we first add a new script that simply rotates the transform. Let's add it to the prefab and check if it works. Beautiful. Let's see what happens in plastic this time. The prefab gets a new component, which is the mono behavior for the rotation script. Again, the scene file is not touched. Let's check in and merge. I think you might get annoyed by me repeating the same thing over and over again, but since it is really important, I will say it one more time. Use prefabs wherever you can when working with plastic. Even if you don't have multiple instances of objects, which is the typical argument from a Unity perspective to use prefabs, any manipulation will be easier to manage as a prefab, even on single objects. We are done with task 4, and there is only one step left to finish our first project. See you soon.